every week. It's the same story. You make plans. You set goals. You promise yourself, this time I shall stay consistent. But somehow, Monday turns into Friday in the blink of an eye. As soon as Friday comes, we all say the same thing, I shall start from Monday. But friends, this is a problem almost every student faces today. And the main reason is not that we're lazy, it's because we don't have a weekly plan. We don't have a system to guide us, to help us spend our week the right way. Fixing your weekly routine means organizing your week in a way that saves time, reduces stress, and helps you stay consistent. It's not just about working all day, it's about planning your time smartly so you can study, work, rest, and still have time for yourself. So friends, today's video is going to be really helpful for you. In this video, I shall tell you how you can fix your weekly routine. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and watch the video till the end, because the last tip is going to be amazing. So let's begin. Plan your week on Sunday. Sit down every Sunday evening and plan your next 7 days. Write what you have to do, study goals, work tasks, exercise, rest. This helps you start Monday with a clear direction, not confusion. Set a fixed wake up and sleep time. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Your body will get used to a rhythm. You'll feel more energetic and less lazy in the mornings. After a little struggle, you'll slowly get used to sleeping early at night and waking up early in the morning. Divide your week by priorities. This means you should divide your whole week into different categories. For example, choose some days only for study, 1 day for watching movies, and 1 day for spending time with your family. This way, on work days you'll focus only on work, and on rest days you'll truly relax. This helps you stay balanced, not overloaded with one thing all week. Use a to-do list every morning. You should make a small list every morning with the tasks you need to do that day. Then try your best to complete them one by one. And whenever you finish a task, put a cross on it. When you see many crosses, you'll feel more confident and motivated. Set small, clear goals. It means you shouldn't tell yourself that you'll study the whole week. Instead, decide something clear, like I'll study only 2 hours every morning. At first, keep your study time short, but once you get used to your routine, slowly increase that time. Add time for yourself. You shouldn't fill your weekly schedule with only work or study. You should also add some of your favorite activities, like listening to music, going out, or watching movies. This way, your schedule won't feel boring, and you'll enjoy following it. Review your week on Sunday night. Every Sunday night, take out the schedule you followed during the week and check which tasks you missed. Then, try to complete those tasks in your next week's plan. This reflection makes your routine better every time. Most students have one common problem: they plan to do something big during the week, but then the internet and phone get in the way. They end up scrolling all day without even realizing how their time has slipped away. Friends, you can only follow your weekly schedule properly when you distance yourself a little from the internet. I'm not saying you should completely stop using the internet, because we all know that's not possible. You just need to set a specific time for using it, that's all. Set daily limits. Set a limit for using the internet or social media. For example, decide how many hours you'll use it in a day. Or, when you're working, take a small break of just 10 to 20 minutes to check social media. This way, you won't get bored during work, and your focus will stay strong. Replace scrolling with real tasks. When you find yourself doing endless scrolling, try to get busy with something else, like reading a book or a story. This will refresh your mind and make it stronger. Friends, when we use the internet too much, our mind also starts to scroll, just like we scroll on our phones. And slowly, our mind gets tired and loses focus. Reward yourself, friends, every day of the week. Write down how many hours you used your phone. At the end of the week, check and analyze, did your internet time decrease or not? If it did, give yourself a small reward, something that makes you happy, like watching a movie or eating your favorite dish. This way, your confidence will grow, and each week you'll start feeling even more motivated and stronger. So friends, these were some simple tips I wanted to share with you. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel. I'm new on YouTube, so your support means a lot to me. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.